Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add columns within columns. First, consider your content structure and desired visual hierarchy. This guide will help you implement complex layouts effectively. We'll explore two main techniques, ensuring your design remains flexible and user-friendly. By the end, you will have a solid understanding of how to build sophisticated, multi-column arrangements with confidence and precision. One traditional method involves using nested HTML structures, often with tables. You can place an entire table within a cell of a larger table, effectively creating columns inside a column. For example, a main column might contain two smaller, equally sized columns. This approach offers precise control over content alignment and spacing, making it suitable for specific, rigid layouts where content is highly structured. For more dynamic and responsive designs, modern CSS offers powerful tools like Grid and Flexbox. With CSS Grid, you can define a main column, then declare a nested grid within it to create subcolumns. Flexbox is excellent for aligning items within those subcolumns. This combination allows for highly flexible layouts that adapt beautifully to different screen sizes, providing a robust solution for contemporary web development. When implementing columns within columns, always prioritize semantic HTML and maintain clean, organized CSS. Remember to test your layouts rigorously on different screen sizes and browsers to ensure consistent performance. Selecting the right method, whether nested tables or modern CSS, depends on your specific project requirements. By following these best practices, you will create robust, maintainable, and user-friendly column layouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.